ACDelco is GM's own oil brand. The oil General Motors formulates for Chevy Silverados, GMC Sierras, and every other vehicle with a GM badge. And most Silverado and Sierra owners are walking right past it at AutoZone for the Mobil 1 on the next shelf, without knowing that ACDelco Full Synthetic was developed specifically around the engines they're driving. If you own a Silverado or Sierra, and you've been paying the Mobil 1 premium without ever comparing it to GM's own branded oil in a serious way, this comparison will tell you whether the extra cost is buying you anything that matters. I'm running ACDelco Full Synthetic against Mobil 1 across 4 categories and giving you a clear answer on which one belongs in your GM truck. Let me start with what ACDelco actually is as an oil product. ACDelco is General Motors' branded parts and accessories line, and their full synthetic motor oil is formulated to GM's internal specifications, the Dexos standard specifically. GM Dexos is a proprietary OEM oil standard that goes beyond API-SP certification to address specific performance requirements of GM's modern engine family. Dexos 1 Gen 3 is the current specification for GM's gasoline engines, including the 5.3 V8 and 6.2 V8, and it includes testing specific to GM's AFM active fuel management system, the engine's tendency to run warmer than competing designs, and the direct injection applications in certain models. ACDelco Full Synthetic carries this Dexos approval and is sold at AutoZone for about $22 to $26 for a 5-quart jug. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic also offers products carrying the Dexos 1 Gen 3 approval, but at $29 to $31 per jug, it's $6 to $8 more per change. Round 1 is wear protection for GM engine applications. Both ACDelco Full Synthetic with Dexos 1 Gen 3 and Mobil 1 Dexos-approved formulations meet GM's full internal performance requirements for the 5.3 V8, the 6.2 V8, and the 2.7 turbo applications. The Dexos standard specifically tests for wear protection in the AFM cylinder deactivation system, the hydraulic lifters that switch between 8 and 4-cylinder operation. ACDelco's formulation was calibrated by the same engineers who designed the AFM system to work with oil pressure that those specific hydraulic lifters require. For Silverado and Sierra owners with AFM engines, running the oil that GM's own engineers validated against their own system is a meaningful application compatibility advantage. ACDelco takes round 1. Score: ACDelco 1, Mobil 1, 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. GM's 5.3 and 6.2 V8 engines are known to run at higher oil temperatures than some competing designs. It's a well-documented characteristic of these engines. Not a flaw, but something that needs to be addressed in the oil's heat resistance profile. The Dexos standard specifically addresses GM's elevated operating temperature range in its testing. Both ACDelco and the Mobil 1 Dexos-compliant product are formulated to handle these temperatures. In flashpoint and NOAC volatility terms, both oils are competitive. Mobil 1's NOAC volatility in the 8 to 9% range gives it a slight edge in oil retention at peak temperature. Mobil 1 takes round 2 narrowly. Score: ACDelco 1, Mobil 1, 1. Now here's where it gets interesting. Round 3 is AFM lifter protection, the make-or-break category for GM truck owners. The AFM lifter failure issue on 5.3 V8 Silverados between 80 and 150,000 miles is the single most common high-dollar repair on these trucks. The AFM lifters operate through small hydraulic passages that are extremely sensitive to oil viscosity stability and additive package integrity. ACDelco Dexos 1 Gen 3 Full Synthetic was formulated with direct input from the GM engineers who designed the AFM system and who have the most detailed data on what oil characteristics lead to premature AFM lifter failure. They built an oil that specifically addresses the conditions that stress those lifters. For Silverado and Sierra owners with AFM engines, this is not a minor consideration. ACDelco takes round 3. Score: ACDelco 2, Mobil 1, 1. Round 4 is price and value. ACDelco full synthetic at $22 to $26 versus Mobil 1 at $29 to $31. That's a $5 to $8 per change advantage for ACDelco with application-specific Dexos 1 Gen 3 certification for GM engines. Over 3 changes per year, that's $15 to $24 in annual savings. Over 5 years of Silverado ownership, that's $75 to $120 in your pocket while running the oil that GM validates for their own engines. ACDelco takes round 4. Final score: ACDelco 3, Mobil 1, 1. Here's my verdict. For any Silverado or Sierra owner with a 5.3 V8 or 6.2 V8, especially with the AFM cylinder deactivation system, ACDelco full synthetic Dexos 1 Gen 3 is my pick. Go to AutoZone or the GM dealer, grab the ACDelco full synthetic in your specified viscosity, 5W30 for most 5.3 applications, check your oil cap for the exact spec, for about $24. Pair it with an ACDelco oil filter, which is the correct OEM application filter for your engine. This combination is what GM uses and validates for your specific truck. For Silverado and Sierra owners without AFM, particularly those who have had the AFM system deleted and are running a camshaft upgrade or displacement on demand delete tune, Mobil 1 is an excellent choice with a strong track record in GM V8 applications outside the specific AFM concern. I've got direct links to both ACDelco Dexos 1 Gen 3 and the comparable Mobil 1 Dexos product in the description below, with the right viscosities for common Silverado and Sierra engine applications. Next time, I'm covering the best oil for cold weather driving in 2026. What changes about your oil choice when the temperature drops below 0? And what to look for in a winter synthetic? Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.